Welcome back to another video. So look, I've got some gel polishes from Susie today. Look at all the colours you can get. They've got so many colours. So this set is Hawaii Night. And I think this is the best set for this time of year. All year round actually. It's got a good combo of colours in it. So let's have a snows at what you get. There's your application guide. It's got hints, tips, prep guide, application guide. Yep. Look at all the colours. So this is 24 gels and it comes with 2 base coats. These are all glass bottles, 5ml. A top coat, glossy top coat and a matte top coat. I like that it comes with 2 bases because you've kind of got a base coat for your matte and a base coat for your glossy. I like that. Nice touch. So the gels are all 5ml as well. You can get money off Susie. I'll leave all the details in my description box. I've got a code and a link, I think. They look really creamy, really nice. So they've also sent me over these press-ons. These are acrylic press-ons, and again they've got all different colours, really cute colours actually, different shapes, sizes, different artworks, glow in the dark. I'm in a giddy old mood today, can you tell? So you get some sticky tabs. They're like double-sided tape, all different sizes. So if you don't like using glue, or if you just want them on for an hour, perfect. Alcohol prep pad, clean all the dirt and muck off your nails before you apply them. I like this colour. Oh my god, as well guys, just remembered I recorded this a few days ago. These tips nails are so nicely shaped. Can you see it, the cuticle there? They kind of dip right down to give it that look like it's blended in. It's hard to explain, but I absolutely love the shape of these. And look, size 0, that is over an extension and it fits. Cute little cuticle push thingy and file. Yeah, I really like the shape of these. Can you see that little dip? I'll show you again. I was so impressed I had to show you twice. Aren't they nice? Look. Perfect. So I've pulled this out because it's a hell of a lot of gels. I didn't have enough swatch sticks, but this is perfect. You know why? Look, you can just try all the colours like that, and it's got 24 on it, and I've got 24 colours. Couldn't get any more perfect. That does wonders for my OCD. So that's the base coat. I wouldn't say it's thick, but it's definitely not thin. So we're just going to try this to start with. Make sure it cures nice with no yellowing, and make sure it cures with a tacky layer. So that's come out the lamp now after 30 seconds. It's not yellow and it's cured with a tacky layer. Yay! So first I'm going to try the white. I always go for the white first. I put way too much on, but I can tell by using it, feeling it, looking at it, that it's a very opaque 1 coat white. I can tell you that. I scraped some off because I did put too much on. Look at that, 1 coat. Really nice gel polishes. Jokes aside, really nice gel polish to use. No wrinkling, nothing, and I put it on thick. So what I'm going to do, because 24 colours, I don't want you to sit here and watch 24 colours. I'm just going to start by doing a bit of a rainbow, like yellow, orange, green, pink, blue, purple. I'll let you watch that, maybe a couple of, yeah, I'll show you the pink ones as well. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, I'm going to do a bit, look at that 1 coat as well. Really nice gel polishes, guys. I'll quickly let you watch a couple more, and I'll be back when we get to the pink ones. Look at that orange. Oh no, she's back. Look at them colours. Oh my gosh, right. So there's a little set of pinks in here. Look at this one. So this is like a sheer. Beautiful, beautiful for things like quartz nails or just to add a little bit of colour to something. Love that. Isn't it pretty? Right, and then we've got a beautiful, very pale, but I'd still call it a nude pink. Love that. Look how these apply. They're absolutely beautiful gel polishes. Then we've got like a baby pink. Really, really nice. So creamy. This is real nail porting, isn't it? And then these last two, oh my gosh, look at this nude. Love these colour nudes. This is my favourite. Beautiful colour nude. And then this one's like a bit of a nudie grey, I'd say. So I'm going to do all the rest of them off camera now, because there's a lot. There we go. Look at all these colours, guys. Oh my gosh. So I've used a glossy top coat on all of them, except these three. I've used a matte top coat on them three. And again, it's a nice matte. I can't fault nothing about this little kit, little set. It is a nice matte. It's not got that rubbery feel. It's not got that sheen. It's just matte. And the glossy top coat's really glossy. This top row, oh my gosh, I'm in love with this top row. That white one coat, no wrinkling. Yeah, love it. Look at them colours. And then we've got the pink ones with the sheer jelly kind of colour. Love that. And then the two nudes on the end. Love them. I love them all. Really nice set for someone that just wants, like, rather than going by 6 from here and 6 from there. I think this is a really nice set, all in one. You've got a little bit of everything in there, haven't you? The only thing I would say is if they're putting a glittery shimmery gold in, they should have put a glittery shimmery silver in as well, I think. That's my only gripe. That's had 2 coats as well, it's a little bit sheer. But yeah, that's it, guys. I can't remember if I've got a code or a link, but I've definitely got money off for you. It'll be in the description box. But yeah, that's it. Bit boring, but how cute are them colours? That top row is gorgeous. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.